Hello. Today we are going to be discussing the production of semen in the male reproductive system. Now, semen is a white milky fluid that's designed to aid and protect sperm in its reproductive function. So we start the story off here in the testes, in the seminiferous tubules where the sperm themselves are formed. They then are pushed into this epididymis and then go up the vas deferens into the pelvic cavity, around the bladder, and now we pick up the story here at the seminal vesicle. The seminal vesicle is the first place where we add the fluid ingredients. Everything before that has only been the sperm. So here in the seminal vesicles, we will add about 70-75% of the fluid content. Now within this fluid is not only the main bulk of the amount of semen, but these are the nutrients that sperm need to survive. So a lot of the sugar content, so the fructose that's in there. Also, this is alkaline fluids. The pH of the vagina is very acidic, which would destroy sperm, and so these have some alkaline chemicals to neutralize that so that the sperm can survive long enough to get up into the uterus. Also, there's prostaglandins that are in there, which will help open up, relax that cervix for them to get through. So that is the seminal vesicles. Then that combination of the secretions from the seminal vesicles and the sperm, now combined, sit here in the ejaculatory duct there, surrounded by the prostate gland. The prostate gland now secretes 20 to 25% of the fluid amount, and these ingredients are now added. It's a specific type of hormone that allows sperm their motility. It allows their flagella to move so that once they're inside the uterus, they can actually get around where they're going. So this is now where semen is essentially the entire recipe is complete here with the secretions from the prostate, the seminal vesicles, and the sperm from the testes. But this bulbourethral gland, it only adds about 5% of the fluid content, but it has an important role previously. So the pre-ejaculate is the fluid that the bulbourethral gland secretes down the length of the urethra. Remember, the urethra is a shared passageway for both the urinary system and the reproductive system. So this bulbourethral gland's fluids will clean out that urethra from its urinary function as well as lubricate it. At that point, during ejaculation, the prostate gland goes into muscle contraction and that expels that semen out the urethra and out the tip of the penis. Each packet, if you will, of ejaculate is from 2 to 5 milliliters of semen and contains anywhere from 400 million sperm on the low end up to around 900 million sperm. So that is semen production. The sperm from the testes, the ingredients from the seminal vesicles for pH protection and for nutrition, the ingredients from the prostate that allow these sperm to move, and then the bulbourethral glands, which will clean and lubricate the urethra.